If you care about the quality of your beer, this is almost mandatory.
Line cleaning in the past, you had someone come in once a month and you didn't know if your lines were really clean or if they said they were clean because there was no measures to gauge what you're doing. But with the Glanola system, you get the benefit of seeing the chemicals change color, you know it's clean, you know your own pattern when you're gonna do it, and it's just a much more efficient system for restaurants.
This system is really easy to use. It's super easy to train people on. It's also just intuitive, which I think is a great aspect of it.
When a keg kicks and it's the cleaning process, we'll drain the line. We will hook up the Glanola hose cleaning system. We'll start the process. Takes about 7 minutes. The line fully filters and cleans. The fact that you can clean every keg, honestly, it's a little revolutionary if you ask my opinion.
So instead of an outside company coming in and dumping the beer down the drain, we can now use a Glanola system to utilize the beer in the line safely for our guests and make sure that we're getting 98% of our beer used and we're now no longer wasting. As a company, we've seen our beer costs drop 2% since we brought Glanola into our restaurants.
It's one of the best things that we have implemented here in terms of the operations of our tap room. It's great because we don't have to worry about it. It takes one more thing out of the equation for us. We have so much going on otherwise. I don't have to worry about the lines being clean. I know it's getting done properly.
Being able to drink a beer that is coming off a line that you know is super clean, especially coming from the guest perspective, that is huge. If someone comes in that doesn't even know Harpoon and they're coming in here and they get a beer and they drink it and they're like, oh wow, this tastes super crisp, super clean. I mean, that's all thanks to Glanola. So we couldn't be more happy about the way that it's working. So that's literally helping us build relationships with the customers. And I mean, I think at the end of the day, that's why we're here. It's for the people. People want clean beer.
We go to great lengths to make sure that the beer is, exactly as we want it, from brewing to packaging. But once it's in the keg, that last step is really to go through the line there. And so if you do something that's going to negatively impact it on the way to the consumer, you basically just ruined all that work that you put into it. It's like taking an hour to prepare a great meal and then putting it on a dirty plate. Like, why would you do that?
So with the way beer is today, we're constantly getting new types, new flavors, new rotational lines. And with Glanola, you can make sure you one, get a fresh, clean line with the brand new beer that's going in and no other flavors are going to taint that line. And two, you're taking a keg that sometimes can be very expensive and you're utilizing 98% of that keg and getting every bit of it before you switch to a brand new line. 110 Grill currently has 37 locations. Now they are installed when we build every restaurant as part of our blueprint plans, and every restaurant moving forward will have Glanola in it.
I'm a big supporter and fan of this system, and I think that anybody that has the opportunity to check it out or try it out should use it. It will increase your sales on flavor, on texture, on volume alone. It's a home run for us.